In today's video, I'll show you how to install the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer quickly and safely. Start by opening any browser you're currently using, such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type duckduckgo.com/app and press enter. Make sure you're on the official website before downloading. Check that the web address is spelled correctly and shows a secure connection. On the DuckDuckGo app page, you'll see a download button. The website usually detects whether you're using Windows or Mac and displays the correct version automatically. If you're given a choice, select the version that matches your operating system, then click Download. Wait for the installer file to finish downloading. You can track the progress in your browser's download section. Once it's complete, open the installer file. If you're on Windows, the file will typically end in .exe. Double-click it, and if Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. Then follow the setup wizard instructions on the screen until installation is complete. If you're on a Mac, the file will usually be a DMG file. Open it, and if you see a security message, click Open. You may be asked to drag the DuckDuckGo app into the Applications folder. Do that to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the browser. On Windows, open the Start menu and search for DuckDuckGo. On a Mac, open Launchpad or the Applications folder and click the DuckDuckGo icon. That's it. Go to the official website, download the correct version, run the installer, and open the app. You're now ready to browse with DuckDuckGo and enjoy a more privacy-focused experience.